Introducing MagicBit, an easy IoT platform for everyone. With MagicBit, you can develop your first IoT project in less than 10 minutes. MagicBit may look small, but it's a powerful tiny computer powered by ESP32, packed with onboard features. If you need any additional sensors, you can simply plug and play. With our cloud IoT platform, you can create IoT projects easily in minutes, even without coding knowledge. You can also program MagicBit with your favorite language. It can be easily connected with cloud IoT platforms. Since MagicBit supports many platforms, basically, you can try out any related resource on the internet with MagicBit. How about using your mobile as an input or output device for your next IoT project? With our mobile app, you can get sensor data from your mobile and send back notifications. MagicBit is a perfect STEM tool for students to learn new things and improve creativity with innovation. It's made for everyone.